What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how RailCom Plus is working with ESU ECOS command station, Loksound decoder version 5 in that locomotive. So I'm pressing the button, power. It should be popping up that icon on the left top. DCC OK, yes, and I'm pressing RailCom button. Bingo. I'm capturing screen of Windows 11 computer with OBS, and I'm using VNC viewer to do it. So if you have questions, I'm glad to all details answer to you. So let's start with the motor. I started wrong with the horn. There you go. It's a lot of functions here. Wow. Okay, lights. So this is Swiss rules lights. If I'm changing directions, you will see only one bottom light. So then it will be moving forward, and that will be moving backwards. All right. And find out more cool stuff here. If I'm pressing this button, see? Somebody needs to comment on this, why it's red. So this is uncoupler. Here we go. But it must facing forward to proper, like in my previous video. So I need to press this uncoupler button actually right now. So it's moving backwards, uncoupling, and forward. Pretty cool. Okay, let's keep going. Lights in the cab, very nice. This is with, I believe this with the load, but again, it's a lot. Looks like door. That's just momentary. Okay. Another one. You can change all those icons, like whatever you like. I think that's already like on start. Let's keep going. And sometimes they have like squeaking noise when it's turning, you know, it's just a lot of different stuff. So here we go. Yeah, this when it's moving actually. Hear that? Yeah, that's it. So let's go next. It's very nice speed step setup. Yeah, will be cool when you're doing maneuvers. I believe the rest of them will be different walkie-talkie messages. There you go. I'm just going quick. All right, and this is, see, volume control. Wow. That's cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership or buy me a coffee. Have a good one. Bye-bye.